Hey everybody, it's Derek again, back for a real quick update. Was able to go ahead and put a new tarp on today. So I got the other ones all taken down and thrown away because they got destroyed in the weather. And it's kind of ironic because we got some more weather coming in tonight for the next couple of 3 or 4 days as well. So I'll see how this holds up. I think this one's about 2 to 3 times thicker, so hopefully it's more durable. But yeah, it's just a quick update. And then I think in the next couple days, I'm going to work on trying to see if I can't get my compost up and going. And I've kind of neglected it for a while. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to restart it or not, but I'm going to give it a shot. Other than that, I'm going to try to grow some stuff in here. Like I said, next 1 or 2 days, I'll put something back out again about getting this thing going, and we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know. See you in the next one.